Hello, and welcome to my channel AIpreneur, where I share with you the latest and greatest ways to make money online. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you a secret method that can potentially earn you thousands of dollars per month on YouTube without making any videos yourself. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around and I'll show you how it works. But before we get into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to learn more about making money online, check out my playlist for more video like this. All right, let's get started. So what is this secret method that I'm talking about? Well, it's called robot AI clones. Basically, it's a way of creating YouTube videos using artificial intelligence, or AI, that can mimic the voice, style, and personality of any person you want. You can use this method to create videos on any topic or niche and have them sound like they were made by a real human. How is this possible, you may ask? Well, thanks to the advances in AI technology, there are now tools and platforms that can help you generate realistic and engaging content using AI. For example, there is ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, which are AI chatbot that can write scripts for your videos based on your input. You can give it a topic, a keyword, or a question, and it will generate a script for you in minutes. Another tool that you can use is InVideo, which is an AI video editor that can help you create videos from your scripts. You can choose from hundreds of templates, add images, music, and voiceovers, and customize your videos to your liking. InVideo also has a feature called AI Voice, which can convert your text into speech using natural-sounding voices. You can choose from different accents, languages, and genders, and even adjust the tone, pitch, and speed of the voice. Using these tools, you can create robot AI clones of anyone you want and make videos on any topic you want. You can create clones of celebrities, influencers, experts, or even yourself. You can make videos on entertainment, education, news, reviews, or anything else that you think will attract viewers and subscribers. But how can you make money from these videos, you may wonder? Well, there are several ways to monetize your robot AI clone videos on YouTube. Here are some of them. Ad revenue. This is the most common way to make money on YouTube. You can enable monetization on your channel and earn ad revenue from YouTube's partner program. However, to qualify for this program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. You also need to follow YouTube's policies and guidelines, which include being transparent and authentic about your content. You need to disclose that your videos are made using AI and not mislead or deceive your viewers. You also need to avoid using copyrighted or inappropriate content that may violate YouTube's terms of service. Affiliate marketing. This is another popular way to make money on YouTube. You can promote products or services that are relevant to your niche and audience and earn commissions from sales generated through your affiliate links. You can find affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, or Share a Sale and choose products that you think will benefit your viewers. You can then add your affiliate links to your video descriptions and encourage your viewers to check them out. You can also use AI to create product reviews or comparisons and showcase the features and benefits of the products you are promoting. Sponsored content. This is a way to make money on YouTube by collaborating with brands and advertisers that are interested in your niche and audience. You can create sponsored content around their products or services and get paid for promoting them. You can find sponsorship opportunities on platforms like FameBit, Grapevine, or Aspire IQ, and pitch your channel to potential sponsors. You can also use AI to create testimonials or case studies and demonstrate how the products or services you are sponsoring can help your viewers. Merchandise and Patreon. This is a way to make money on YouTube by selling your own products or offering exclusive content to your loyal fans. You can use AI to create merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, or stickers, and sell them on platforms like Teespring, Spreadshirt, or Redbubble. You can also use AI to create exclusive content such as behind-the-scenes, Q&A, or bonus videos, and offer them to your patrons on platforms like Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, or Ko-fi. These are some of the ways to monetize your robot AI clone videos on YouTube. Of course, you need to be consistent and persistent in creating and uploading quality content and growing your channel and audience. You also need to be ethical and honest in your content creation and respect the rights and privacy of the people you are cloning. You don't want to get into any legal or moral trouble or damage your reputation and credibility. You may be wondering, how can you get started with this method? Well, it's actually very simple and easy. Here are the steps that you need to follow. Step 1. Choose your niche and target audience. You need to decide what kind of videos you want to make and who you want to watch them. You need to do some research and find out what are the most popular and profitable niches on YouTube and what are the problems, needs, and desires of your potential viewers. You also need to find out who are the most successful and influential creators in your niche and what are their strategies and secrets. Step 2. Choose your robot AI clone. You need to decide who you want to clone and how you want to clone them. You can choose anyone you want as long as they are not violating any laws or rights. You can clone celebrities, influencers, experts, or even yourself. You can also mix and match different aspects of different people, such as their voice, style, and personality. You need to find some samples of their content, such as videos, podcasts, or articles, and use them as references for your clone. Step 3. Generate your script. You need to use ChatGPT to generate a script for your video based on your input. You can give it a topic, a keyword, or a question, and it will generate a script for you in minutes. You can also edit and tweak the script to your liking and add your own touch and flair. You need to make sure that your script is engaging, informative, and persuasive, and that it follows the best practices of YouTube SEO, such as using keywords, titles, tags, and descriptions. Step 4. Create your video. You need to use InVideo to create a video from your script. You can choose from hundreds of templates, add images, music and voiceovers, and customize your video to your liking. You can also use AI voice to convert your text into speech using natural-sounding voices. You can choose from different accents, languages, and genders, and even adjust the tone, pitch, and speed of the voice. You need to make sure that your video is high quality, attractive, and professional, and that it follows the best practices of YouTube optimization, such as using thumbnails, captions, cards, and end screens. Step 5. Upload and promote your video. You need to upload your video to your YouTube channel and promote it to your target audience. You can use social media, email marketing, or paid advertising to drive traffic to your video. You can also use SEO, hashtags, and keywords to rank your video on YouTube and Google search. You need to make sure that your video is relevant, valuable, and entertaining, and that it encourages your viewers to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Step 6. Repeat and scale. You need to repeat this process and create more videos using robot AI clones. You can experiment with different niches, topics, and clones and see what works best for you. You can also scale your method and create multiple channels and diversify your income streams. You need to monitor your results and track your performance and optimize your strategy and tactics accordingly. And that's it. That's how you can make money on YouTube with robot AI clones. This is a very powerful and profitable method that can help you create passive income online. However, you need to be careful and responsible with this method and not abuse or misuse it. You need to respect the rights and privacy of the people you are cloning and not infringe on any laws or regulations. You also need to be transparent and authentic with your content and not mislead or deceive your viewers. You need to provide value and quality to your audience and not spam or scam them. So what do you think of this method? Do you think it's a good way to make money on YouTube with robot AI clones? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to learn more about making money online, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.